Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Panang curry or Panang gai in Thai. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. I didn't eat this Panang curry in my hometown because coconut milk is not used much in my hometown. Basically, Panang curry is based from red curry paste. We added another spices like coriander seed, cumin seed, and roasted peanuts. And coconut milk will make the curry creamy and yummy. The Malaysian version's Panang curry will be milder than the Thai version Panang curry. The Thai version will be milder than the Thai red curry because of the coconut milk will reduce the spiciness from the paste. So, let's make it together, shall we? Here are the ingredients for Panang gai. Chicken Panang curry, and here is Panang paste, and fish sauce, palm sugar, coconut milk, chicken, coffee lime leaf, chili spurs for garnish, and put some slice in the curry, and sweet basil for garnish as well. So if you cannot get the Panang paste curry, you can make it with red curry paste by adding another spices like coriander seed, cumin seed, and peanuts roasted. Okay, let's go to the next step. For making Panang curry paste, we need to roasted coriander seed and cumin seed. First, cumin seed, coriander seed. How do you know when the coriander seed and cumin seed is ready? You will see the seed will dancing a bit when it get ready, and you will get the smell, the aromatic from it. And it's very good if you pounding the spice when it's hot and make it easy to pound it. I can smell now. This smells so good. Cumin seeds give you very nice smell. I really love it. You can see it dancing, right? So which means ready. So once it's done, I will put it in the mortar. Then fry it. Oh, it smells so good. That is done. Then I will pound peanut roasted. For peanuts, you don't have to pound it very fine because it will make the curry get more thicker. I'm going to make Panang curry paste by adding 2 tablespoons of the spices that I just powdered, and 2 tablespoons of the red curry paste. If vegetarian, you need to make your own red curry paste, because normally they add shrimp paste in to the red curry. So it's done. We need to slice the chicken up very thinly because we don't want our chicken to be tough and not cook. This cooking is going to be quick cooking. We want our chicken to be cooked quickly because we are a Thai quick cooking channel. And that's it done. So I sliced the chili spur to add some while I'm cooking, and also I will garnish. About the chili spur, they're not that spicy. You can remove the seed out from the chili, or you can just leave it there because they're not that spicy. Next thing, I will tear the coffee lime leaf to put in my cooking. Some put in my cooking, and some I will keep it for garnish. I will julienne it by take the middle part out. Then we're gonna roll it. Then who cares if it's not perfect? This one we will put in cooking. This one for garnish. So first of all, I will add coconut milk. Whoa. 1 cup of coconut milk. If you can get the coconut cream, that will be good. So we need the coconut to separate out from the oil. We want to get the oil from it. Because we're not going to use the other oil, we will use the oil from coconut milk, and that will be healthy for you. So this time, I use the coconut milk from the market that I can get, and it will be yummier than the box one and the bottle ones. If you cannot get in the market, you can use one like this. So look at that coconut milk, nearly ready, because you can see on the edge the coconut separated out, and I can smell it. So once it's ready, you need to add Panang curry paste. In this time, you need to use medium heat, otherwise paste and the coconut milk will get too hot and will get burned. And then we leave it until the paste separated out from the oil. I will show you in a minute what is done. You will see the oil bubbling in the pan, and then I will add some more coconut milk to reduce the thickness from the curry. Put it in medium heat to high heat for this time, because I want to make it hot quickly. So once it's boiled, I will add palm sugar, and fish sauce. So do not put a lot of fish sauce in there yet. You have put some in there, and then once you taste it and you need some more, then you can add some more. Now we add coffee lime leaf and chili spur Then you add chicken in there and cook for a couple minutes. This one needs to be high heat because we need to cook the chicken quickly. Now my Panang curry is done. So I will put it on the plate and show you what it looked like. And here it is. It looks so beautiful, right? If you want to check out my recipe, just go to my website toojang.com/panang-guide.